Hey there, today we are going to talk about converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. And after that, we'll convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. So let's start with mixed numbers first. As we discussed earlier, a mixed number is a whole number and a fraction combined. For example, 3/1/5 is a mixed number. The whole number is 3 here. The numerator is 1 and the denominator is 5. Now, to convert this mixed number to an improper fraction, the first step is to multiply the whole number by the denominator. After multiplying the whole number by the denominator, we'll get 15. Now, the second step is to take the result from the multiplication and add the numerator to it. After adding the numerator to the result, we'll get 16. This will be the numerator of the improper fraction. Now what's left to find is the denominator of the improper fraction. Actually, finding the denominator is pretty easy. It is same as the denominator of the mixed number. So the improper fraction would be 16/5. I hope you understood how to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. Now let's see how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. Let's take 16/5 as an improper fraction. It is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. To convert this to a mixed number, the first step is to divide the numerator by the denominator. Second step is to find the quotient and the remainder from the division performed in the first step. So dividing 16 by 5 gives us a quotient of 3 and a remainder of 1. Now to convert the improper fraction to a mixed number, we take the quotient as the whole number of the mixed number and the remainder as the numerator of the fraction. And the denominator remains the same as for the improper fraction. Pretty straightforward. Now here are some problems for you to try. Convert the first two problems to mixed numbers and the last two problems to improper fractions. Give it a shot and let me know how you did in the comments below. So that was all for today. I hope you learned something new. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and take care.